this product that I got way back in November to do a review on now. I've been using it obviously since November, since I got it. So as you can see, this is a set. I'm gonna link it down below. I got it off of Amazon. It's the Aussie Miracle Curls set. It has the shampoo, conditioner, deep treatment. It has leave-in. This is the refresher, curl refresher, and it has a jojoba oil that you can put in your hair to define it. But only thing we're gonna be using today is the shampoo and the conditioner and the deep conditioner. Now here, as you can see, I just used a big dollop, one wash. My hair is not that long. If your hair is longer and more curly, I would say to do 2 washes. Mostly try to focus on your scalp. You don't really have to get to the ends. If you have more curly hair and you don't want it to dry out, just focus on your scalp. I washed that out already, and now I'm going in with the conditioner. I'm just putting that all through my hair, and since I'm going to essentially like deep condition it, I'm going to use the 3-minute Miracle Curls. Now it says you can leave it in your hair for 3 minutes and it should be good. I've done that mostly with my boyfriend, who you'll see, I'll show you his hair at the end. But for me, I just leave it in as long as I want. So now I'm just taking my comb. I'm going to link the set, my brush set that I got off of Amazon also. Now, first of all, we got to get into how much the Aussie Curl set was. It was under $35. I believe it was like 34 something. So yes, I'm just using that all through my hair. I really like it. Obviously, it's the new year. I've been using it. My boyfriend and I have been using it, and it's lasted for this long. So as you can see, I'm now just massaging my scalp and just making sure how I want my curls to fall. I'm just shaping out my hair. I also brush it. You can see here I'm brushing it how I want it. And I rinse it out in the same way I brushed it. Now I rinsed it out already. I didn't show that part. And now I just flip my hair over, and I am pushing my fingers together basically to take out whatever excess water is in my hair. So this is how I not dry it, but I just take out most of the wetness from my hair. Now I just leave it like that, and I just put a towel on. As you can see here, I'm taking it off, and I'm going to use my Remington blow dryer. It's a normal brand, not too expensive, and I put it on the low and the middle heat, I believe. Low blow and middle heat, and I'm just going all around. As you can see, if I want more volume, you flip over your hair and just dry all around. Now, if you do not like frizz, I would suggest waiting till your hair is fully dry before you actually touch the diffuser to your scalp. Now, I don't mind, a little frizz, but as you can see here, I'm not touching my scalp with it yet. So until it's like semi-dry, that's when I just go in and I massage my scalp with the diffuser, and I just roll it around because I don't mind frizz. Now, if you do not like any kind of frizz, I would wait before you touch the diffuser to your scalp till your hair is basically dry, and then start to massage your scalp. So you're gonna see me do that, but I do it when it's like semi, because first of all, it's gonna take a minute, and the more curly your hair is, the longer it takes to dry. So as you can see, I'm just holding it, and I'm scrunching as I go, very lightly. Here I believe I put it up a little bit while I was going all around, and then I put the power back down to low instead of high, so it's not blowing too harsh on my hair. Now I'm just going around, and I'm massaging my scalp. I love the way this feels, by the way, so that's why I like to do it. And as you can see, it's giving some volume, and it's really cute. Now when I don't diffuse my hair, it doesn't come out like this. Like if I just let it dry normally, my curls are a